Okay, welcome to MathPro by Bloom Academy. We're going to continue our hidden radios. Before we do, let's pay attention to uh, these things over here. If I take a number and square it, 2 squared equals 4, that means square root of 4 will be 2. Same thing, if I have, let's say, 12 squared equals 144, that means square root of 144 equals 12. Okay, and also if I have a triangle with height h and base b, then the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. And how do I combine this mixed fraction here as a single fraction? Okay, like 7/2. Okay, how do I do it? It is 3 times 7 plus 2. 3 times 7 plus 2 all over 3. So it becomes 23 over 3. Now let's get to work here. Okay, I have a circle inscribed in a square. Square has a side of 10 centimeters. What is the area of the square? What is the radius of the circle? Okay. And what is the circumference of the circle in terms of pi? What is the area of the circle in terms of pi? And what is the area of the shaded portion in terms of pi? Okay, so area of the circle, really easy, is 10 squared. Now we go to the radius of the circle. It's not given, but we can look at the figure and just figure it out. So if you look at it, if I draw a line anywhere from one side of the circle through the center to the other side, it is the diameter, which is also the same as the side of the square. So that means our radius, which is half of the diameter, okay, that is 5 centimeters. So for circumference is 2 pi r, or pi times d, it becomes 10 pi. Okay, so see, the answer is supposed to be in terms of pi, so we just leave it like that. Area of the circle is pi r squared. The radius is 5, so 5 times 5 times pi. That's the answer in terms of pi, okay? And therefore, the area of the shaded portion, okay, the circle is inscribed there. That means cutting the circle through the square. And so you subtract the area of the circle, this area here, you subtract it from the area of the square. That gives you what is left, the shaded portion. And there you go with your answer. It is 100 minus 25 pi centimeter squared. So try it. Here you are given the area of the square. Okay, before you were given the side of the square. This time you are given the area. The question of what is the radius? What is the area of the circle in terms of pi? And what is the area of the shaded portion in terms of pi? Pause the video, try, come back and check the answers. Okay, these should be the answers. Radius is 6 centimeters. Okay, area of the circle, and then area of the shaded portion. Now, here is your main challenge today. Okay, you have a composite figure made up of a semicircle and equilateral triangle of side 10 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. What is the radius of the semicircle? What is the perimeter of the composite figure in terms of pi? And what is the area of the composite figure in terms of pi? And then finally, the area of the composite figure, and I say here, write your answer as a single fraction in terms of pi. Okay, the area of the composite figure right here, I want you to write your answer as a single fraction in terms of pi. All right? Okay, so what are the steps in solving a problem like this? I say, well, okay, underline keywords. You're going to line keywords. Okay, keywords and phrases. Okay, and then what? You're going to try to recall formulas. Okay, and then you apply the meaning of these the keywords and then solve the problem. All right. Okay, I'll provide the answer in the next video, or you can email me your answers. All right. So what do I keep telling you? Keep on practicing, apply yourself very well, and all things being equal, you shall bloom. Welcome to Bloom Academy. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.